We made it to Ottawa. We're just having fun looking around in Canada. We flew in last night. We had some food this morning. Had some egg bites from Starbucks. I'm not sure what to get here that will upset my stomach. Then we got some coffee from a local shop.
Maple coffee.
Maple latte. Now we're just looking around.
Time to go to Whole Foods, get some steaks.
Get some
maple
steaks.
syrup. Berries.
Because our hotel has a full-on kitchen, refrigerator, stovetop, everything. So yeah. We're here for a couple days and we're gonna enjoy every second of it. I ordered the fish and chips and they gave me the whole fish. And Wolf got the sandwich, the dub, sweet potato fries. We got a lovely view. Thing to get here is maple syrup. As fresh as it can get. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, figuring this out. This is the corner we're at. This is the building I just showed y'all. This is the Parliament. It's like their capital building that you can actually go walk inside.
That's where the Prime Minister lives.
Yeah, we can go say hi.
This is where the Supreme Court of Canada is. So, do any funny business, you'll end up there. They lock you in the tower, I heard. Up top, dragon guards it.
Well, let's go see the Parliament. This looks awesome. Wow, this is the front of the Parthenon. Protest here a couple months ago. Wow. That is cool. You see the flag? Here's top. That's awesome. Supposedly we can't go in the Parthenon. Our Uber drivers...
Parliament.
Parthenon. Our Uber driver said that we could, so we're like pumped to go in there. I walked over here, but it's been under construction for 5 years and it'll be under construction for the next 10 years. So it's like, oh, okay then, never mind. So we're just gonna go walk around and see some more pretty views. This view is amazing. So that's Quebec over there. Just past the bridge and go over there.
I think this is one of the coolest cities in Canada because it's so historic. I don't think we could have been so much better. First city for me, at least. It's like a record high in temperature for this time of year. We're used to it.
Feels good to us Texans.
Yeah, it's great.
But Ottawa is like one of the coolest and most beautiful places I've ever seen. It's just amazing. We just got to the track and these little kids are here. I don't know what they're doing. This is cool. We found where the high jump pits are. Back in the corner. This is a massive tailwind.
Massive. This looks like a good place to launch.
Yeah.
It's fun. You're gonna cover so much sand.
Yeah. It's like what, 3 feet, 4 feet?
Hey, babe.
Yeah.
This time, put her down right here. Not there. Here.
It's like Mondo surface. It's really weird. You can kind of see it. Found a pretty warm-up area right next to the track.
Also from the United States in lane 5, Ashtin Mahler.
Woo!
Numéro 6.
Alright, come on! Good job, man!
Come on! Run! Run! Sprint! Come on. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Nice job. Come on. Better.
On the call!
Come on, go get it. Come on, go get it, go get it, go get it.
Let's see what Michelle's time is.
Okay. So, made steak, potatoes, and bacon. Truffle salt steak
It's really good.
with garlic, maple, truffle salt, potatoes, and dang, that do good. Some blueberries. We heard about steak here being good.
And it's really good.
'Cause it comes from Alberta. It's like grade A3 grade something beef.
Anyways, this is what we've been having for the past 2 days for the competition. I'm pretty spoiled.
Come on, Texas, step it up. Come on. Gosh, dang it. Come on. Come on. Jump. Come on. Ah, straight up. Easy. That's better.
All right, well, I ended up not finishing the heptathlon. I wasn't scoring high enough to make this meet count for world points.
To increase her world ranking.
Yeah, so basically trying to get top 24 in the world. I think I'm 28 right now. So I have a few spots to jump. So hopefully the meet in Spain will go well. But no, I didn't finish because it was going so bad here. But I just I did a heptathlon last weekend, so I felt fine competing, which is weird. But I guess my nervous system was still shot. Says Wolf. I don't know. He was trying to explain. Like, I don't know why I'm doing so bad. But anyways, now it's pouring down rain. They just finished the 800 and like stuck here.
Yeah, so we pulled her from the meet because we wanted to give her body a break. Trying to do 2 heptathlons in 1 week, 7 days apart, it's pretty tough. So we're going to rest up the next 3 weeks and recharge her for Spain. And we're going to vlog that. It's going to be a blast.
It's gonna be great. Yeah, we can't wait. But Wolf got to run today too before it started raining, right in the middle of my meet.
I was feeling so good. I came out way too hot and was
hot.
having to slow down and not hit hurdles. I'm in shape to run really fast. I'm very green at this race, this 400 hurdle race. We'll put the video here and you'll see. I almost fell. I still PR'd. I ran a 51.0. I'm trying to run a 50.5 to qualify is what I think it'll take. So half a second away. Plenty good shape to do it. I just got to run a smooth, clean race and finish strong.
Yeah.
This was like the slowest I've ever crossed the line because I feel like I just got punched. I've kicked 100 times like during the race.
There you go! There you go! All the way! All the way, man! Come on, Wolf, you got it! Oh, come on. But we're having fun out here in Canada, even with all this rain. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed this vlog.
Yeah.
And there'll be more to come soon.
See you back in the States.
Bye.